कुछ कविताएं पढ़ूंगी, बस लैंग्वेज दूसरी होगी। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं शायद हिंदी से ज़्यादा अच्छा इंग्लिश में लिख पाती हूँ। आई होप आप कनेक्ट कर पाओगे। मेरी पहली कविता, उसका टाइटल है शी। यस, इट्स अबाउट लव। He is exactly the poem I wanted to write. He is the music that heals my soul. He looks at the moon as if it's his own reflection. And me, I just stand in a corner and adore his existence. But she must be lucky. She must be lucky that she could find him. He steals a glimpse of her in a room filled with people and praises her like she is magic. Together, they appear to be the sky and its reflection in the ocean. He brushes his hands with hers every time they cross paths. He can feel her warmth when they dance together. And she just wants to dance a little longer. They match the colors they are wearing, but say it's a coincidence. He saves a seat for her and she feigns a naive smile. They cherish their secret romance. No one knows they are so in love. Her eyes ask him to take her away so that she can express her affection. And be lost in each other every day. They want to have a lifetime together. They want to believe in silly forever. I wish I could also have what she has. It's like having the sun and the moon under the same sky. Thank you. ये पहली थी, दूसरी पढ़ूंगी। Lost lover. Was it easy to lose your moon in the sky full of stars? Or you never had it? It was just an illusion trying to destroy your imperfect heart. Cause if it really was a loss, you wouldn't be smiling. Or is it really that you smile? Or just a false face to trick the world? And if it is to trick the world and you have lost your moon, how is it that you're still breathing? Breathing because it's the same air as his, or breathing because you think it's just an eclipse and you still have hope to see him. Maybe you are just naive enough to believe that he is your home. Because sometimes home is not one, but many small pieces spread across the sky. And if it is true, then why are you still waiting to find him? Let this part be empty until what comes in is worth it. Thank you. And the third one, इसका title है He isn't the easiest man to love. He isn't the easiest man to love. It was artful, the process. He isn't the easiest man to love. He had love failures. He was broken and devastated. His heart was ripped apart. But I want to love him. I want to love him with all the broken pieces that I have. I want to love him with my broken heart. I would hold him close to me, tell him this isn't the same, just give it a chance. He isn't the easiest man to love. He has mistrusted the world. His kindness has been played. His soul is tired of fallacy. He's delusional about his path. Yes, he isn't the easiest man to love, but I want to love him with my heart torn apart. Thank you.